Today we are talking about making best use of your first year as a student in Lagos State University. So follow me up as we go. Now, congratulations. In this video, it is assumed that you just getting admission to Lagos State University, and here are 10 ways that you can use to make best use of your time during your first year. Whether you're an aspiring scholar, an EFICO, or someone that wants to achieve first class, or you just came for the degree, regardless of what class, just follow me. I have everything for you. Number one, attend all your classes and start reading. Yes, as a fresher, you don't have any excuse. Whether you have a background in polytechnic or whatsoever, you might feel like, oh, it's just another kind of school or whatsoever. You don't make any excuse. Attend all class regularly. Taking good notes is crucial to success in LASU. Don't try to act smart or big by skipping classes. You must have heard the phrase that 100 level is the best time to build a foundation for good GP, especially if you're the type that is looking for first class. But most times, most freshers won't understand the statement. It is when they get to 300 and 400 level, then they begin to recollect advice from still like that. Oh, I know I told you during those days that 100 level is the best time to lay a good foundation. But by the time many people discover, it's too late. So please, your 100 level, please attend all class, do everything they say you should do, obey everything religiously, attend all class, write good notes, do what the lecturer wants you to do. If it's the one that doesn't care and prefer internet stuff, make research on the internet and give him. If it's the one that is particular about the notes given in class, please do it. Attend all things religiously. See, I get the point. You may be due to freedom, you feel like you can do anything you like, or there's a lot of time. But see, 100 level is the best time to lay a good foundation, whether you are chasing first class or you are chasing just any degree. Why? Some people say, oh, if I just have 3 or 4 or 5 in social course, I don't really care. Let me tell you, it's better to aim for the sun and land on the moon. So please be careful. Be careful. Lay a good foundation. Even if your 100 level is good, by the time you begin to get shanked at the other level, 300, 400 level, your good foundation at the back will be able to absorb some of the shock. So I just hope it won't be too late for you to discover this. Number 2, explore LASU. Wow. Lagos University is located in a vibrant and diverse environment, especially for some of you living alone for the first time. So feel free to walk around the school, walk, trek. It's your time. You're just a fresher, so know everywhere. Know where the sports center is, the VC office, the mental office, library, whatever it is. Attend social events. I mean, I'm social events. I will. Okay, this is just my. Okay, let me bias. It's just my advice within social event within the school, because that's what the school really have jurisdiction over, and they can ensure your safety. Although there will be some social event organized outside the school, well, you can attend them at your own risk though, because the school is not responsible for your safety there. So you can attend the event at the end of the day that you can end up joining a court group or whatsoever. So fresher days organized by different group, or by different religious group. Yes, there are many people that have developed this culture. As a fresher, maybe you attend Four Square Fresher Day, MSSN Fresher Day. Collect your item 7 and enjoy. Well, that's how it is. Watch chatter at plays, enjoy the moment, especially at the beginning of the semester. Just explore, attend event, watch everything. See, you are a fresher, just enjoy, feel free. Why? You are just a fresher. Naturally, as time goes on, you will naturally outgrow all this. So you naturally outgrow all this, and you'll be really attending an event that is worth your time or relevant to what you do. But this is the beginning now. Just explore and get to know LASU better. Just that no matter what you do in your exploration, just make sure your academics isn't suffering as you explore. Number 3, find your pack. Oh, this is very, very, very important. Find your pack. A wolf who is raised with sheep will think every day of his life that he's a sheep. But when he sees a pack of sheep going away, and the way they roar and the way they grow, he will be able to say, oh, there's something inside of me that make me not a sheep. So what is the essence of this pastoral to my girl? I'm telling you, find your pack. Find like minds like you to grow in any particular endeavor. There are many legal groups on campus to join. Religiously, the MSSN, that's the Muslim Student Association of Nigeria, and that's for Muslim. It's a community for the Muslim. So why LASU Christian community is there for all Christian students, which you may choose your base. So MSSN and LASU Christian community, depending on religion, please endeavor to join each of them that match your belief. So for LASU Christian community, we have different fellowship and church on that community. They just come together to form one. So we have the school non-denominational fellowship itself. That one doesn't matter which denomination you have coming from back at home, you can attend that. Also, we have the Celestial, the CNS, Daystar, Portals, RTF, Government, MFM, CAC, and so many campus fellowship like that. So join them. If you are a Muslim to join MSSN. What is the advantage of joining these religious groups? Not just join for religious sake. Is that you get empowered spiritually, emotionally, and even financially. You get mentors from Staylight who will put you through on different hardship or personal problem that you are going through. You will see someone that have gone through anything you are going through. Is it hostel problem? I'm very sure there are people that will be able to accommodate you, although they're not your parents, so don't go and expect them to come and rent hostel for you. But they will help you to sort things out. So please join whichever match your pack or your belief. So you find mentors, you can find even roommates, you can find people who give you materials that they've used when they were freshers too. So please find your pack religiously. If you are politically inclined, join and participate in campus politics. Yes. If you have the grit, join. If you are sport inclined, wow, there are many sport teams on LASU. There's a football team, basketball team, tennis, boxing team, karate team, taekwondo, judo team, all in LASU, which you can join for free as long as you'll be active. So find your pack and grow. If you are tech inclined, there is the blockchain LASU, GDS LASU, data science LASU, amidst others. This community will unleash the greatness in your inner tech world, Texas. If you are art or entertainment inclined, utilize major social events like Fresher Day, Orientation Day, Miss or Mr. LASU, Faculty Week, LASU Week, or whatever event to showcase your talents or performance. If you are a stand-up comedian, you're a upcoming musician, whatsoever it is in the entertainment industry that you do, please don't be shy. All these events, all these Freshers Day, all these big events are organized in the school. Just be bold enough to go and meet the organizers of this event. So, and ask whatever is required of you for you to perform there. So, LASU have raised so many superstars based on this avenue. You know many people from LASU that are popular right now. I don't want to mention them, but you know them. So, they came to the spotlight via this avenue. So, please, if you are art inclined, don't be shy. Let everybody know what is inside of you and bring it to the spotlight at a social event. There are many good organizations and clubs to join on LASU. Rotary Club, LASU Debate Club, ICPC serve LASU, that's independent, ICPC, that's the a kind of student body of ICPC, the main independent corruption body, listening. So that's LASU, that's Student Anti-Corruption Vanguard. Okay, there is the Rotary Club. Okay, I said that too. So among many others, there are many good clubs on LASU. Just make sure it's legal when you join, please. So just make sure you find your pack. Avoid any pack that isn't beneficial to your personal belief, goals, and aspiration. If you are a good person, you have no business rolling with bad guys. It doesn't matter if you guys met during screening or medicals. Just find a pack that suits your nature. Find your pack. Finding your pack unleash and shape the potential inside of you. Just make sure when you find your pack, you are able to strike a balance between your academics and whatever activity of your pack. So you don't end up being sent out of the school because of poor grades. Number 4, obey your regulations and comply. Well, it's just similar to what I said in the first point. You are in your first year. It's too early to get in trouble with the school authorities. So get familiar with student handbook and constitution to know what to do and what is expected of you and what is not expected of you. So please obey all instructions. Please, you are a fresher. As time goes on, maybe you can be going with it's your choice. But please, for this time, obey what all regulations. Number 5, don't allow anyone take advantage of you. Oh goodness, a lot of stories concerning this. You know, although as a fresher, it's good to ask for direction around. Oh, where is social faculty? Where is social department? That's kind of expected of you to do. But whatever you are doing, don't let anyone take advantage of you. Don't let anyone intimidate you. I think that's why you're even watching videos like this. So that's why you have the internet. That's why there's even religious community to help you. That's most people that we can even trust to some extent. So scammers, armed robbers, even mischievous daylight, hostel agent may want to rid you of some stuff. So you just either be smart about it. So be humble and smart, but don't fall for it. There are so many cases of daylight hunting for fresh babes. They're looking for young ladies to sleep around. You know, very funny cases. I've even heard of a guy who met an hostel agent who was allegedly a daylight too. He met him at Fresh Orientation Day and he told him, okay, you need a hostel, give him a paper. Okay, the guy showed him the hostel on his phone. And the next thing he said, okay, that if the guy can deposit half of payment, because many people watch the hostel is close to school. And the naive fresher sent the money, half payment, and claimed that okay, after the event they will go together to the hostel and check it out. Oh my goodness. After the event, you could not see the hostel agent again. That's how it was scammed. So don't get intimidated or don't allow anyone to take advantage of you. That doesn't mean that you should be you should try to be how will I say it, violent, or you're trying to form over sabi. Don't try and do that in LASU, please. Don't go collect. So sorry for saying that. So just be humble and be smart. Don't let anyone take advantage of you. Don't let anyone intimidate you. Every starlight was once a fresher, just like you. They came naive, just like you. So get yourself together. Get your shit together. Number 6, be strategic with your accommodation. Yes, although it depends on personal reasons. If your house is close, you can choose to be coming from home. Although you might not get the freedom that you so much desire, but one thing is sure, you can never run out of food or cash, unlike when you're living in a hostel. Although last week's building it's over, is 50,000 capacity hostel or whatsoever. And I heard that the main hostel that I've been in last week since is only for female and is about 20 room or whatsoever. But that one is not, I'm not sure that's kind of can cater for everybody. But just make a good decision concerning where you be coming to school from, because this will affect your stay in LASU. By the time the month hasn't reached the end and you spent your money, half of your money on transport fare. So if your house is a bit far or is very far, it's advisable and compulsory. It's advisable and wise to get the hostel. Get the hostel at areas close to school. Make sure those areas are safe, and conducive for you. So just weigh your options and choose what's good for you. Number 7, this particular one is for those that are aiming for first class. Be an aggressive scholar. Get to know your professors. Professors can be a great resource for you, both academically and professionally. Take the time to introduce yourself, ask questions, and answer questions in class. Don't be shy. Answer question. Although your classmate will insult you, you feel like you are trying to be, you're trying to get some notice or over sabi. Please, okay, let me even talk about my own faculty. My department, the Department of Political Science. Just try and be friendly with lecturers. You will understand later. Try and be friendly and make them know you. Answer questions. Let them notice you. Please let them notice you. If you are only for first class, let them notice you. Answer questions and answer reasonable questions. Answer questions reasonably. If you want to take a step further, run errands for them. Just make sure you are noticed. Participate in study group. Study with your peers and people that are like minds can help you improve understanding material and improve your grades. Attend tutorials. Yes, tutorials organized by clubs, religious group on campus, or some scholars, and even the highly esteemed exam mind. Please attend their tutorials. Do all assignments and don't wait till exam before you start reading and going for unnecessary till daybreak night reading. See, and when you fall sick later, although everyone has different body system, but Please, I'm telling you, you are just a fresher. LASU exam is not jam. LASU exam is not smoke. Don't let like this serve you breakfast. Don't worry. I hope it's not too late for you when you realize this. So number 8, maximize everything LASU have for you. Many people just pay school fees and they hardly maximize. In fact, they are not even using up to what 50% of what they pay for. Many people hardly visit the library or are even aware of club or organization in LASU. Make sure you utilize them as relevant to your goals. The library resources. The university library has many resources, including textbooks, research articles, study spaces, and even an ICT library with free Wi-Fi, and even RJ45 with free internet where you can plug your laptop. How will you know if you don't explore and maximize LASU? Make use of them. Attend career fairs and networking events. Start thinking about your goals early and attend career fairs and networking events that is relevant to your goals. The hospital, sports center, student arcade, all of these are there for your personal use. For your use. Maximize your school fees. Maximize your stay in LASU. Please. That is why you pay school fees. So please maximize your stay in LASU. Have fun. And you're good. Number 9, sort yourself. As time goes on, you should be mature to know that you can't attend all events and shows. Remember the point I told you earlier that I should explore. So as time goes on, you will discover, due to time factors and priorities changing, you discover that you can't attend all event shows, play all sports, join a club. So what happens is that you find your niche, find what you really want to do, and carve out what really matters to you. Don't forget why you're in school, to get a degree. Stay focused. Although, if you'll be getting things in addition to your degree, make sure they are worthwhile. Coming for a degree and getting a spouse or a job or a scholarship is not a bad idea. So, sort yourself and make sure you are good. Number 10, put God first in all you do. Be prayerful and be mindful of God. We're in Africa and you should know better. Africa, where a lot of things happen, where money is being swallowed by snakes and monkeys. So, you should know better. Pray and work hard as a student. I pray we don't fall victim to carryovers, missing script, glitch in LIDC or whatever misfortune that is peculiar to students. This is not something that is last problem. It is something that is shared with the Nigeria university system itself. I pray God save every one of us. So pray, be prayerful. Even not academically an aspect, there are many people that will die. That died during their stay in the university. Just be prayerful and be spiritual. I don't say you should take it over the board. Please. Well, it's even your choice if you will do that. Why am I even saying this? So just be prayerful. Pray, please. Pray. By the time you just start coming out, you discover that sometimes it's not the fastest runner that win the race sometimes. So the race is not for the swift. So be prayerful and be smart. So maintain a healthy school life, balance academics and personal life, financial life, and everything. Take care of your mental and physical health. University can be stressful and shaggyful. So make sure to prioritize your mental and physical health by getting enough sleep. Well, that's why it's with phone in the night. Exercise, sports center is there. Eating healthy. Well, what am I to tell you what to eat? Although most students eat junks, and sometimes because of SAPA, we are sometimes SAPA'd. We don't have choice. We eat whatever comes our way. So, eat healthy, sleep, and in conclusion, who am I to advise you? Just do you, and you are good. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you guys later.